How intelligent are dolphins? Today we discuss into the topic of the dolphin intelligence, discussing dolphins' behavior and anatomy in attempt to answer the question how intelligent are dolphins. Among the many animals in the world, there are few smarter than dolphins. These amazing marine mammals are capable of impressive problem solving, social interaction, and using what appear to be a complex communication system. Research into the behavior of dolphins in the wild and the capability has yielded incredible data on the intelligence of these marine mammals. Studies show that dolphins not only have the ability to learn as individuals, but those individuals can pass their new knowledge on to others. One notable example is that adult dolphins will often attempt sponges into their snout to protect themselves while hurrying for food. Are dolphins smarter than humans? Current tests for the intelligence indicated that the dolphins do not possess the same cognitive abilities as humans and are thus not the smarter species. Like human, dolphins possess the ability to beneficially alter their surroundings, solve problems, and form complex social groups. However, dolphins do not display indicator of the tools uses problem solving and the structural discussing to the degree and that humans do. Why are dolphins so intelligent? Dolphins live in complex social groups and have evolved to have highly developed brains. These factors are the largest contributor to their intelligence. Dolphins have really large and complex brains that developed over thousands of generations. Presumably, dolphins' brain evolved to meet the need of to their environment. Intelligence and the highly involved social interaction become the names of the subdual for the dolphins and their brains adapted accordingly. How big is a dolphin's brain? Relative to body size, dolphin's brain among the largest in the animal kingdom, larger than even those of chimpanzees. Are dolphins the intelligent animals? Based on the current metrics for the intelligence, dolphins are the most intelligent animal in the world. While intelligence is difficult to the quantity of the organism, many studies suggest that dolphins are second only to us human in smart. Using brain size as a barometer, dolphins come in second only to human each brain to body size ratio. However, dolphins also excellent intelligence-based tests. Research show that the dolphins mirror self-recognition, cultural training, and comprehension of the symbol-based communication system and the understanding of abstract concept, comparable to chimpanzee and others great apes. Please tell us in comment section one of fact about dolphins. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting videos.